The Santosh Giri incidents show that the worst that can happen in a civilized society is happening there. If women are harassed and assaulted, if a Gunda Raj is there, that is something which does not bring credit to anyone down the line. The established government has to act firm, has to act fact, has to act effectively. No one will be allowed to take the law in their hands. This kind of berserk nature by the Gundas should be stopped immediately. The government has a responsibility to put an end to this. I understand that prohibitory orders have been issued there. The police are there. The assembly is in session. When in such a situation, a goon or his groups can take the law into their hand, it means it's a warning to the civil society. Come together, face it together, fight it together, destroy it, put violence in the coffin and drive the last nail on it. That is what we should do. That is what we are going to do. Now, let me get the report from the responsible government. Action will be taken. It will be shown there is law in this land. Nobody will be allowed to take the law in their hands. We saw what happened there. The ED officials were prevented for once. Then they broke open the workers and raided. Never ever think Bengal is a banana republic. Never ever think goons can have their day. They will be made to curse the day they are born. Civil society has to come together. We will continue this relentless fight against these thugs. Bengal is a land of peace. The people deserve to live in peace and harmony. All of us, all stakeholders will come together and see that an end is put to this nonsense game that has been going on in Bengal society in some pockets.
আমার বাংলা, সঙ্গে থাকুন, সঙ্গে রাখুন। আমার বাংলা।